In today's video, I'm going to teach you step by step how to import fonts in Google Slides. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find new fonts, how to add them to your account, and how to apply them cleanly to your presentation. Start by opening Google Slides and the specific presentation you want to work on. It's best to have a slide ready with some sample text so you can see changes in real time. Click on any text box in your slide to make sure the text formatting options appear in the top toolbar. When the text box is active, you'll see the current font name displayed in the toolbar. This is the font menu. Click the font name to open the drop-down. At the very top of that list, select More Fonts. This opens the Google Fonts library directly inside Slides, which is where all available fonts for Slides live. Now you can browse or search. If you already know the font name, type it into the search bar. Otherwise, scroll the list and use the filters to narrow by category like serif or sans serif, or by language support. A helpful tip here, type a short sample word or phrase in your slide first. That way, once you add the font, you'll instantly see how it looks in context. When you find a font you like, click its name. That action adds it to your personal font list for Google Slides. You can add multiple fonts in one sitting, so feel free to select a few options you want to test. When you're done choosing, click OK to confirm and close the library. Back in your presentation, highlight the text you want to change. Open the font drop-down again, and you'll now see the new font in your list. Click it to apply. If the text looks a bit off, adjust the size, line spacing, or weight to dial in the look you want. Repeat this on any text box, titles, subtitles, or body text, and you'll keep a consistent style across your slides. That's it. The new font is now available in your Google Slides presentation and can be used on any slide you create in this file. It will also stay in your font list for future presentations on the same account, so you won't need to add it again. One important note, Google Slides only supports fonts from Google Fonts. You can't upload custom fonts from your computer directly into Slides, so choose the closest match available in the library for brand or design needs. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Google Slides tips and tutorials.